Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon version of Nikola Jokic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Nikola Jokic, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve down and then it's going to come up here. We'll make a little line that comes in on each side. Then we're going to make a line that comes up on each side. Then we're going to bring this down and then up here. Now right here for the ears, let's draw a line that goes up, down, and in. And same thing here, we're going to go up, down, and in. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, make it a little bit bumpy up here, and then bring it down here for the top of the head. Now let's work on the face. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make another circle for an eye over here. Then I'm going to draw a line right across here and a line right across here. Then I want to make a little circle here and a little circle here. I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now for the nose, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. I'll make this curve around and up to here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes across here, and a line that's just going to go down around here. Also make a little curve here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and around here. And same thing here, we're going to come over and then back up. Make a little line underneath each eye. Then we're going to put a little squiggle in each ear. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up here. Then I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side. I'm going to curve this in on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then over, but I'm going to leave this side open. Now, for his arm, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring a line out here. Then I'm going to draw a circle for the basketball. I'm going to put a bump here for the thumb. And I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 fingers over here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. I'm going to bring this down and then across here. I'm going to curve a line for the thumb. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and then 3 lines for his other hand. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. Make a line that comes across here. I'm going to bring this line up on each side with a line across. Draw a line that goes down, over, and up. And same thing, down, over, and up. I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to bring it over and up. Same thing here. We're going to curve this line down, bring it over, and then up. I'm going to draw a line down here and a line here. Line here, and then we'll make another line right here. We'll make a little line right across the bottom. Now let's work on his jersey. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. Now I'm going to bring a line here, and bring a line here. I'm going to draw a line that comes down here, and down here. And same thing here, up, and then up. We'll also draw a little line right across here. And then we're going to draw 15 on here. So we're going to go down, over, and then down. We'll go over, down, and over. Go down and in. Then we'll come down, over, and up. We'll go over, down, and over. We'll bring this up. Then we'll go over, down, and in, and then down and over. Then for the basketball, we're just going to draw a curve here and a curve here, a line across here, and then a line down. And there you go. There is your drawing of Nikola Jokic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.